You as a teacher, you are the model for your class. If you know your material, if you like your material that you're teaching, it's going to show. So it's very important that you know how to do whatever you're going to teach. It's important you know how to do it well and do it with confidence. If you are happy and confident with your lessons, your students will be too. So you are the first step to a really good class. The important thing is that you know your subject. So pick a subject that you really love completely, and that's what you should start teaching. Whether it's painting or drawing, what do you love the most? Because that gives you the confidence when you're teaching. That gives you all the information you need to help troubleshoot with your students. Plus, all that confidence you have rubs off on your students, and they learn to be confident too. So that's quite important. Your knowledge allows you to help solve any problems your students might have. They might come up to something, a problem in painting, for example, and it just might need a little technique that you can add. Know which tools to use to create a certain technique or to solve the problem. You need to know that. You're the expert. In their minds, not being able to solve a problem equals they have no talent. So if you help them get through the little rough bumps in the road when they're learning, they'll realize they can do it too, and they have talent. Confidence and level of subject knowledge is important in any classroom. I'm going to repeat this a lot. Belief in yourself is important and what you can do. All the studies have shown that belief in oneself influences actions that form thought and pattern emotions that enable people to pursue goals. So if you have confidence in what you're doing and you show that it's possible to get there, your students are going to just rebound really quickly when they have problems. They're going to do it well. Early success by your students will lead to enthusiasm. Keep this in mind and set up your course for success. If you're a painter, don't try to teach them all watercolor, acrylic, and oil, and maybe a little bit of collage on top of it. Choose one thing that you love the most. If you're a watercolorist at heart, go for it. Choose that. For example, I love acrylic and collage. And teaching the acrylic with the collage is what I really do best, and it's what I love the best, and it shows when I teach it. And I can troubleshoot for my students with no problem because I've probably made all those errors that they've made too. And this way, I know what to expect. So know your subject well. Another example is my friend that loves pen and ink. When she talks about her topic, her face just glows and it lights up and a smile comes on and it's like the light comes on in the room. She radiates that love for her topic. This is how you should feel when you're teaching your subject. So here's your task. Write down what you do well. Can you teach it with confidence? Do you know just about everything you can think about that topic? Pick just one topic, your favorite one. Write all those things down, give me an answer, and then we'll see you in the next section.